Okay, now since our domain are point to our server, we don't have anything on our domain. That means if anyone search on our domain or the internet, we only get to our website. So you see, our website is showing for why? Because we don't have any file on our website. Now let us install WordPress on our website, which is the tools we use to design our website. To do that, just log into your host, your host website, jtw.com. Click on login. Then after login, you will see all the services you have. This is the website the host will bought from them. So can you click on this little arrow down? That will show. Once you click on this link, it will take you to the cPanel. Then where you will enter your username and password. But I just want to click on login so that I can log in direct to our cPanel without entering password. Okay, once we come to this is our cPanel. The cPanel, this place is all about email. Once you come here, this is all about your file. This is your database. This is your domain section. This is your matrix. This is your security section. While this is your software. Then the next one is advanced. But what we need here is to install a WordPress on our domain. Then just click on Softaculous app installer. Then click on install on WordPress. Scroll down. Let's assume we want to install this WordPress on a folder which is on a directory in our domain. You can just come here, enter the name of the directory we want. Then we follow the other process as we want to follow. But now we don't want to install it on the directory, we want to install it on the root folder. So just scroll down from here. Then you can change the name, enter your name here. Here protege flag. So see this, just leave it, you can change the admin name if you can remember this is the password. All these details we copy, you want to save them because these are the credentials you need to log into your admin. Just save them. Yeah, give the name admin. I can just give it username. Admin. Which is password. I just paste my password, then you save it. Yes, then I'll go back. I'll save my admin details. Then you can just scroll down. On this place, we ask you which language you want to use. Then select your language. We have many languages here. If you need, you can select. Then here are plugins. Some plugins you can easily to apply. When it comes to plugin, I will explain to you better. Then just go down, not click on anyone, just click on install. Okay, now our website have installed, which is we have installed WordPress on our website. Now let's go to this our website. This is the link pridej.name.ng. Then just refresh. Wow, now you see that we have created a website on our domain. Now anyone can search it for anywhere and find all this content inside. That's why it's not show for. Okay, after you have installed this, what is next? This is the link we just click. You can click for user to access it. While this is the admin link where you will give to your customer who wants you to design the website or you need to use if it's for yourself, and you also can use to design your website. You can just click on this link so that you can log in us to the admin panel of the WordPress. Yeah, this is our admin panel of our WordPress. Let me just give you some brief of all this button, which is the menu here. This is the dashboard where we just log in, show us everything. So quick view of our website. Then once you come here, this is the home, which is this place. When you come here, update. Once you click on update, you see any software, which is any plugin or themes that's out of date. Then you can easily update it from here. Then this is post. We have to post on WordPress. We have post and page. The two are post, but you just name it post and page. Why? The post is a dynamic. You can change at any time, but page is a static, it cannot be changed. If you want to see all your posts, you click on all. You see all your posts, like you just click on it. You see all the posts. You only have one post here. Then if you click on add new post, here you can easily add your post. Get it? I will show you more later in this class. Then just come back the same place. Category. You want to add category to your post, you can click on this. If you want to add tag, you can click on this. This is all about the post. Then once you scroll down, you see the media. The media, these are your image, video, music, and all that, your logo. The first one you see media library. This way you see them. You can add. That's why I say add new media. If you want to click on add, you can easily click on add, which is this place. Then you can drag and drop your media here, like your video, your image that you prepare to use to create the website, your logo, anything. Then you come to the page. The page, as I told you before, is static. Once you click on it, you see all pages. This is the all page we have. This is the two pages we have on this website right now. Then once you click on here, you can easily add to the page. As you can see, you see that they are the same thing. That's why I told you they are the same thing. What you see there like they are the same. That's why I tell you one is static and one is dynamic. Why I say static and dynamic, this one does not change. Page does not change at any time. Once you create it, it will be there or that design that page. But dynamic post change. Once they make comment, we add to all those comments. Then once you come to this section, this is a comment. Where someone comment on your post or comment anything on your page. This way you find it. Can you click on it? You see all your comments, as you can see here. Then once you come to this app here, this is one of the best and the most serious place of creating WordPress. WordPress has designed on themes and plugins. Themes are the view you see on the website, like this place now. This is our themes we are using. This is the design. The design is the view, is the themes. But once you come to this, once you click on this appearance, you can easily change it. Can easily change it to other themes. Once you come to themes, I will teach you how you can do it so that I can modify. Then once you see this, is a theme editor to edit your theme so that will suit your brand. Then you come to this one. As I tell you earlier, WordPress are created, is designed on a theme and plugin. This is a plugin. The plugin has functions that was the website gives. Let us know that I want to create a career website for a company. That means that anybody that the company is taking goods to must have a code, have anything to track his order. For them to track his order, there's a plugin for that, so that the person can just enter his tracking code. They will show him where the details, where goods have landed. They can know what to do about it. Once you click on these plugins, you will see all the plugins that you have installed on your website, but we only have two here. Which this plugin come with the themes that we are using. Then once you click on here, add new plugin, here you can add your plugin. We have more than thousands of plugins for WordPress, also themes. You can easily add and you can also upload as well. Then once you come to this user, here you will see all your user. Like the one we are now, we are in admin. Here you can add more user here, and here you can also change the user role. We have different role on WordPress. We have subscriber, we have administrator, we have editor, we have author. Depends the way you give to the person, that is what you will play on the system. Like now you can see there from here, subscriber, contributor, author, editor, administrator. These two are almost the same. They can do anything. Then you know the want to give to person. If you don't want the person to touch anything concerning your website, can you give them like subscriber, or it depends the kind of employment you give to the person. But for user, they always be on subscriber. Then once you come to here, that is their profile. Then when it comes to the themes, this is tools. The tools are used for importing and exporting of data, also erase some personal data, and also to know the site health. Then once you come to the settings, in the setting you have sub menu on the setting. You have the general. It will tell you the site title, tagline, can easily to your favicon, which is your icon, your website icon. You can upload it, give the new user a role. Okay. Then when you come to this title, talk about the discussion on your website. Give category, where you post the post, where do you want to enter. When you come to this read, listed the WordPress app, where to search your text from. Maybe you create a different page and you want your page to be searched. Once they enter the website, which page do you want to show? Therefore, when you put in your static, you just collect from you. But when you put it on this one, you see your last post, that will be showing last one that you just type www.so. When the person enter, we see your last post. But also when you come to here, you can select any page of your choice. All the page you created will be shown here. Also, this is a post page. They only creating there, you name it, you can select it from here. They give you the numbers of posts can be shown and other things. They click on see. Discussion, talking about things on the post, what you need. As time goes on, we will talk about this. Let's see other media again. Let's talk about the weight and the breadth of image or video that we upload. This permalink is how your website, once they want to search or test your website, how do you want it to show them the date and the name, or just to show. Mostly people use the post name, so that can easily just go scroll down. Like you can just click on save, see the category base. Then this privacy. That's all about this. This I'll just give you the view of the dashboard, what it's all about on WordPress. But as time goes on, I will show you how you can use everything here to design your website. And also I will teach you how you can able to design website within 10 minutes you are done, within 5 minutes you are done. I'll teach you how you can use a template which people have already created down. You can just get it and design your website within 5 minutes and complete your job. And also on this website design, I'll teach you how you can create a website using WordPress, to the website on your own. After this, I know that you can able to tackle any problem on website that you overcome.